In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Plus, I'm going to give you a bonus way that you might not have thought about. Hey there, I'm Tracy Rose, and on this channel, I talk about being a mum, building a business from home, and keeping your mindset in check for what you need to do to build your dream business. If you're a mum or a dad, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to make sure you know when I'm uploading a new video. So number 1 is pretty obvious. It's using Google AdSense, and this is where YouTube allows ads from advertisers to play on, before, after, or around your video. And what happens is YouTube creators, just like you, get a cut from those advertisers. Now, this is not something that is huge unless you have a huge audience, but it's a nice little chunk of change on the side while you are creating videos for fun or for business, and maybe that's just kind of like a side income. So a lot of people don't start with wanting to earn money from YouTube AdSense as like their main thing straight away. They've usually got a couple of other things in the pipeline, which I'm going to share with you as well. And make sure you stick around for the bonus one at the end, because this is something you probably would not have thought about. Now, the only thing with AdSense is YouTube kind of switches between who can monetize their videos with AdSense or not. So ages ago, you couldn't monetize your ad with Google AdSense until you had a certain amount of subscribers or views on your videos. And then they kind of opened it up like for a free-for-all, and then they changed their mind again. So who knows, but at the moment, yeah, you have to have a number of subscribers or number of views. I can't even remember what it is because my channel's monetized. But if you were going to start a new channel, you wouldn't be able to monetize through that straight away. But then again, depending on when you're watching this video, YouTube may have backflipped again. The second one is through affiliates. So you can be an affiliate through many different companies all over the internet, but a lot of YouTubers are affiliates for things like ClickBank, or maybe you're an Amazon associate. So I've got accounts in both of those. And what you do is you find products that you maybe are talking about in your video. Maybe you're doing a review, or maybe mentioning a camera or a book that you've read, that you will then link below in your description, and that will be your affiliate link, so that you will get a commission when someone clicks on your link. Now, this really depends on the company that you're doing the affiliate links through, but to give an example, as an Amazon associate, let's just say I've got a link below for the camera that I'm using right now, okay? Now you can go click on that link, but even if you don't buy that, but you buy something else from Amazon today, I will potentially get an affiliate commission from whatever product that you buy. So it's kind of cool to have those Amazon links in your YouTube description. I think I can hear the neighbor's kid like having a full tantrum. I think he's fine. I heard the mom. So number 3 and 4 is really about you and your marketing of your own courses or your own coaching. So let's just say you did a course on, I don't know, how to build a blog. You can sell that by putting that in the description, or maybe doing some tips on how to build your blog and then telling them to go buy your course, which is in your description. Or the other thing, like I said, is you could offer one-on-one coaching. And I've definitely done this. When I first started YouTube, it actually wasn't through marketing and home business stuff. I had a baby website where I taught birthing classes and stuff like that. I was so niched down. I was serving my audience exactly what they wanted, and I was really consistent about doing the videos. Bonus tip there. And I served my audience so that people knew I was coming out with videos every single week. I was establishing myself as that expert or that go-to person in that niche. So I had people then reaching out to me going, well, Tracy, I want you to teach me this class. I want to be in your course. I ended up teaching people one-on-one classes all over the world. So a lot of them were via Skype. Some people came to my house, they traveled. Actually, how crazy is this? I had this couple who found me on YouTube, and she called me. She was Aussie, but she was living in Switzerland, and they organized their whole holiday around being able to come and do a class with me. And I was like, I can give you some details for someone who has a class closer to you in Switzerland. She's like, I just want to come to you. So this is the power of YouTube, when you are that go-to person, where people trust you, they know, like, and trust you. They will want to do your one-on-one coaching, or will go and do the marketing course or whatever course that you've created. They will trust you to learn further from you. So you are able to sign them up to whatever program you have on offer. So that is 4 cool ways to earn money from your YouTube channel. But I do want to talk about this last little one that a lot of YouTubers don't think about, or a lot of people who are just maybe uploading their videos to YouTube, using it as a host, not such a YouTuber, but you can build your list. And I know this is not like an immediate sale, but the beauty about building your list is that you get to have people who may not be ready to buy just yet. You get them onto your email list, and it's almost like you're getting to know them through the conversations, through the newsletters or tips or whatever that you're putting out there. And so you're kind of massaging that relationship a little bit more before they jump in, click that buy button and buy your course or sign up to your coaching. So I always recommend people build their list. I mean, who knows what's going to happen to YouTube? I hope it's around for a very, very long time. I love YouTube, but I do want to be in charge of my own business. I want to be in charge of where my audience can hear me from. So even though, yeah, I build on Facebook and yeah, I build on YouTube, I also want to be in charge of my own list and my own business. So I have my own email list. I know email's not the coolest thing anymore, but I've spoken to top marketers around the world, and they say if they were to start from scratch again, they would put out content, build their email list, and sell to their email list. And if the top people are saying this sort of stuff, I'm gonna listen. I hope this video has helped you and inspired you to go and create some videos for your audience and help you build the business of your dreams around your family. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I promise I will bring out the most valuable content that you want to help you build a business around your family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So I was gonna say 2, I meant 3.